Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Sarah. We are a minimalist family who is living big with less, and today my house is a hot mess in every sense of the word. It is ridiculously hot here today. I think it's going to be 32 degrees, but the humidity is like 1000%. So you can literally breathe this heat in. I'm sorry if you're watching this from a really cold place. I'm sending you all of those warm vibes. If you could send some cool winds this way, I would really appreciate it. But this last week we have had heaps and heaps of appointments, which is one thing that I find just throws our home a little bit out of whack when we've got kids all over the shop and we've got lots of places to be. But today I'm going to get it all back in order. I'm always surprised at how fast it comes back together. So I'm going to pretty much go through this house. I always say I'm going to go through it like a hot curry. My husband thinks that's really funny when I say that. But I'm going to go through it from back to front and just get everything organized. I said to the kids, just leave everything. I'm going through the house today and we'll get it all sorted. So if you have got a house that is a little bit out of whack, come along with me. Let's get cleaning, let's get organizing and get this job done. Here is a quick before shot, a little state of the union. Now I know it doesn't look terribly bad, but I can guarantee you all those crumbs and sticky messes that don't show up on camera are well and truly there. For those of you who have followed me for a little while, you probably already know this, but I like to start by clearing off all of my counters. That way I've got a really easy place to clean all those nooks and crannies, and it also helps build momentum, that it feels cleaner really quickly and you're much more likely to go deep and get it really nice and clean if you start with that really good momentum.
Put your lips against mine, boy, 'cause I have lost a little bit of faith. I got lost in the darkness.
One of my favorite things about having a minimalist kitchen is how quick and easy it is to do jobs like unstacking the dishwasher, because our cupboards aren't over full and I can just find things and get to things really quickly and easily. It makes this job super quick every day.
I'll follow you. I'll follow you.
Everyone has their favorite cleaning products, whether it's all natural with vinegar or a really good multi-purpose spray that you love. I am in favor of whatever works for you, and sometimes what I like to do is just use really hot soapy water. I use it for washing up, and I actually find it gets rid of all of those little sticky puddles that come from spilt milk or sticky fingers really well, and it also helps to leave no residue on my counters, which I absolutely love. Recently, I was trying to find what would be the most eco-friendly way to go ahead with cleaning cloths, as I know that microfiber cloths aren't always the best for the environment. And after much research, what I actually decided to try for a little while was just cotton tea towels that I've cut up into sort of small squares, which allow me to have heaps on hand because I go through so many cloths every day, and I've been finding them work really well.
When you touch me, I feel holy. Oh, nothing in the world will kill me as long as I got you. I was running from myself those days, always breathless, search for something safe. And then I smashed into that golden face. For the first time, I don't run away. We danced together till we got it right. Ups and downs through many days and nights. You appeared to be my guiding light, and at the same time I realized, oh baby.
We have a glass splashback, so I always like to give this just a once over with a window cleaner and my window cloth. And we also have these cupboards that have no handles, which annoy me no end because they get fingerprints on them all the time. So I just give those a quick wipe just to get rid of those marks.
Oh baby, as long as I got you. Oh baby, baby, as long as you want me to. As long as I got you.
When I'm cleaning my kitchen, I like to add in a few of what I call like less than 30-second jobs. So you'll see me wipe over my oven, clean out the dish from our microwave, and also just get off these marks from our kitchen bench. I just like adding them to my kitchen clean every day, and so that way I'm not left with these huge deep cleaning tasks. I am using some Scrubtion, which is like a light abrasive, and then I'm actually just using a little bit of hand sanitizer to get off these marks. The alcohol in there just helps to lift out anything that the Scrubtion can't get to.
I feel holy. Oh, nothing in the world will kill me as long as I got you. Oh baby, as long as I got you. Oh baby, baby, as long as.
Some of you guys actually noticed in my last video that we had changed around some of these things in our back living area, and we are really enjoying it. I turned this bookcase up on its side instead of lying down flat, and it's just given us so much more room. And I actually moved the rug away from our back door. Our kids are in and out of these doors all day, and so that makes it much easier for me to clean. And it also provides this really nice cozy seated space with the rug underneath where we sit and have our coffee and chats.
I'd rather lost my senses than be lonely. 'Cause baby, when you touch me, I feel holy. Oh, nothing in the world will kill me as long as I got you. I'm done with embrace. Oh, baby.
Hey guys, I just wanted to talk to you for a sec about this little pile of stuff that is stuff that just doesn't belong out here. And this pile appears everywhere, but particularly badly in common areas. And if you can conquer this, your home is going to feel so much cleaner. I call this the snot of cleaning. So it is all those little things. It is pens, it is hair ties, it is your sunglasses, all those sorts of things that just end up in places they don't belong. And if you don't get to them, they can make even a clean room feel untidy. They can be really time consuming if you're picking them up and taking them back one thing at a time. So this is my tip if you struggle with snot. Because if you've got kids, you probably do, because I don't know a way around it. But what I do is anytime I'm cleaning a space, I don't go anywhere from that space. I just put it together and I get it away. So having homes for things is going to be premium high priority because I know where all of these things go. If stuff keeps landing in a particular area that it's not supposed to, consider moving its home to wherever it keeps going to. But keeping on top of this, grouping them together, and then committing yourself to not leaving piles anywhere is going to make a huge difference. If you tackle snot, leave a message for me down in the comments so I don't feel so alone. But I'm going to tackle this right now and get these things put away. So with this pile, I'm just going to pick up items that live in a close area and just go around and put them back straight away wherever they belong.
2 worlds behind the scene, they're picking up the pieces of all broken hearts, but I believe
I don't know about you guys, but for me, the bedroom is just one of those places where things just end up being put till I have a moment to deal with it. So I'm just going to tackle this bed. First of all, does anything make you feel better than a freshly made bed? I recently changed our quilt cover. I just felt with all of these dark colors in our carpet that a little bit of color on our bed sort of brightened up the room. And for those of you who have been watching me for a long time, you'll know that we used to live across the road from the beach. And when I found this print, I was like, that reminded me of what I call our beach across the road from where we used to live. So it's like a little piece of the beach in my bedroom, which I absolutely love.
and when we come to life, and I believe in coloring the world, gotta holler to be heard in time. We can fight back, ready to go right by to the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new.
Our dirty clothes basket, which normally lives in our walk-in wardrobe, recently broke, and I haven't found one that I like enough to replace it, so hence the pile of dirty clothes on the floor. But I do just like to go through this area, as it can be somewhere where stuff collects that doesn't belong. So I'm just giving everything a quick tidy and getting all those clothes back where they belong.
Feel us flowing to the sky, to the moon, and making my skyline brand new. Oh, get my heart in trouble. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You get my heart in trouble. Make a beat, sing a tune, giving my life this whole groove. Get my heart in trouble. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. Get my heart in trouble.
This breakfast bar area on the opposite side of our kitchen counter always gets disgusting. It's just kids, crumbs, sticky messes. So every day I like to either mop or just give it a wipe over, otherwise it gets really gross. But just a quick wipe every day helps me to stay on top of it.
I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it.
This bedroom belongs to my two littlest people, and although they are really great at tidying up and making their beds, about once a week I like to go through it and just give it a good, what I call mummy clean, get everything up off the floor and just make sure that there's no rubbish or things that they've missed, and it just keeps it in check and makes it really manageable for them to keep up the rest of the week.
I got you.
and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
Now I'm just going through and giving our front media room a clean. I'm also just getting out any like crumbs and things that have gotten down into the nooks and crannies of our couch. I don't know if this happens to anybody else, but my kids get popcorn everywhere. It looks like a piñata went off after they've had popcorn. So I'm just giving that a really good vacuum and getting anything that has fallen under the couch. That way we're not getting any bugs and that things aren't getting stuck under there. And it also just makes it so much nicer to sit down and watch TV at the end of a long day knowing that everything is clean and tidy.
I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you.
You save me too.
Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too?
'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
So guys, it is just after dinner time here. I have just cleaned up the kitchen. I've just got a few things drying behind me and I am about to fold all this washing. I usually leave my washing till the end of the day. That way I just fold it and put it away while we're watching something, or if we're playing a game, I can fold that while we do that, and I'm gonna get everything put away tonight. So I feel so happy with what I achieved today. I got the house put back together again, and then it is so much easier for me to keep on top of it throughout the week once I have done that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for coming with me, whether you were cleaning or watching or getting motivated. I love hearing from you down in those comments below. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. It's free. That way you'll find out when my next videos are. So hit that subscribe button. If you would like some other videos to watch, here are some videos I think you might like, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.